What makes some people irresistible? Why do we feel drawn to certain individuals even if they don't say much? The secret lies in. But here's the good news. Charisma isn't something you're just born with, it's a skill you can develop. Let's uncover how. Charisma is the ability to inspire, captivate, and connect with others on a deeper level. It's not just about how you look, it's about how you make others. Confidence, empathy, communication skills, and authenticity are key components of charisma. Charisma starts with stand tall, maintain eye contact, and project your voice. People gravitate toward those who exude self-assurance. Practice good posture, eliminate self-doubt with daily affirmations. Embrace your uniqueness. Remember, confidence doesn't mean arrogance, it's about believing in yourself and respecting others. Charismatic people know how to. They listen more than they talk. When you show genuine interest in others, you make them feel valued, and that's magnetic. Ask open-ended questions, use their name in conversation, mirror their energy subtly. Part 4. The role of emotion. Charisma isn't just logic, it's emotion. People remember how you make them feel. Speak with passion, whether you're telling a story or sharing an idea. Your energy is contagious. Part 5. Be authentically you. The secret ingredient to charisma, authenticity. Be real. People can sense when someone is being fake. Embrace your quirks. They make you relatable. Part 6. Practice makes perfect. Like any skill, charisma takes practice. Try speaking in front of a mirror. Record yourself. Join social events and step out of your comfort zone. Every interaction is an opportunity to refine your charisma. Charisma isn't about being the loudest or the most outgoing, it's about connecting, inspiring, and leaving a lasting impression. Start small, be consistent, and watch how the world starts gravitating toward you. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Comment below, which charisma tip will you try first? Unlock your inner charisma.